Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is November 14th, 2024, and we're diving into the latest earnings report from Taysha Gene Therapies, a clinical stage biotechnology company focused on gene therapies for severe CNS diseases. Joining us is John, our senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. Taysha Gene Therapies has been making significant strides in the biotech space, particularly with their lead program, TSHA 102 for Rett syndrome. I'm excited to discuss their third quarter 2024 financial results and corporate updates.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the financials. Taysha reported a revenue of $1.8 million for the third quarter of 2024. However, they also posted a net loss of $25.5 million or 10 cents per share. John, what are your thoughts on these numbers?
The revenue is relatively modest, which is typical for a clinical stage biotech company like Taysha that doesn't have commercial products yet. The net loss is significant, but it's important to note that this is a reduction from the previous year's loss, primarily due to a non-cash loss recorded in 2023. Their cash reserves of $157.7 million are crucial as they continue to fund their research and development efforts.
Research and development focus. Research and development expenses increased to $14.9 million this quarter. Taysha has been advancing their TSHA 102 program with FDA approvals for pivotal products in their REVEAL trials. Can you elaborate on this, John?
Absolutely. The increase in R&D expenses reflects their commitment to advancing TSHA 102, which has shown promising early clinical improvements. The FDA's approval to use the pivotal product in their trials is a significant milestone, indicating confidence in their manufacturing process. This positions Taysha well for future regulatory submissions.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. General and administrative expenses decreased slightly to $7.9 million. Despite the net loss, Taysha has managed to extend their cash runway into the fourth quarter of 2026. What does this mean for their operational strategy?
This decrease in G&A expenses shows Taysha's focus on operational efficiency. Extending their cash runway is crucial as it provides them with the financial flexibility to continue their clinical trials and potentially bring TSHA 102 to market. It reflects prudent financial management amidst ongoing R&D investments.
CEO insights and strategic initiatives. CEO Sean P. Nolan expressed optimism about the regulatory pathway for TSHA 102, especially after aligning with the FDA. How significant is this alignment for Taysha's strategic initiatives?
Aligning with the FDA is a critical step for Taysha. It not only accelerates their development timeline, but also enhances the credibility of their clinical data. The positive early data from their trials further supports their strategic focus on TSHA 102, potentially paving the way for future approvals and commercialization.
EPS forecast and analyst expectations. Analysts had forecasted an EPS of 8, but the actual EPS came in at 10 cents. How should investors interpret this discrepancy?
The slight miss on EPS is not uncommon in the biotech sector, where expenses can be unpredictable due to the nature of clinical trials. While it's a minor deviation, the overall sentiment remains cautiously optimistic given the progress in their clinical programs and regulatory advancements.
Key takeaways. In summary, Taysha Gene Therapies is making significant progress with their TSHA 102 program, despite the financial challenges typical of a clinical stage biotech company. Their alignment with the FDA and strong cash position are promising for future developments. Thank you, John, for your insights.
Thank you for having me. It's an exciting time for Taysha, and I'm looking forward to seeing how they progress in the coming quarters.
Thank you for watching Smart Stock Watch. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Taysha's performance in the comments below.